Your eyes are not lying to you. Nobody touched anything. Welcome back to Enoylity Technology. I'm Michaela, and today we're going deep onto one of the most genuinely surprising e-bike features I have ever tested. This bike literally shifts gears on its own, like it read your mind. Or maybe, and I say this with love, it is smarter than your mind. No offense. Hey guys, welcome back to your best place for latest tech reviews and concept renders, this Enoylity Technology. Welcome back to Enoylity Technology. I'm your host, Michaela, and if this is your first time here, we test tech. We break it down, and sometimes, like today, something shows up that is genuinely surprising to all of us. This is the Blix X, also known as Blix Instinct e-bike. And we're here today because of one specific feature that I was honestly a little skeptical about when I first read the spec sheet. Auto shifting. The bike changes gears for you. No button, no lever, nothing. Just pedal. And the AI chip inside figures out the rest. And by the end of this video, you'll either desperately want one or you'll personally feel attacked by how much smarter this bicycle is than you. Or maybe possibly both. Let's get into it. And if you enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe. Hit that bell. You know the drill. Here we go. Okay, auto shifting. Let me break this down like you never heard of gears before, because honestly, most of us never had to truly think about gears. We just struggle through it. Normal bikes, you press a button. Pull a lever, the gear changes. You decide when. You have to pay attention. Going uphill, shift down. Speeding up, shift up. And if you forget to shift at the right moment, your legs definitely will not forget. Most e-bikes offer electronic shifting, buttons instead of levers, smoother, but still manual. Still your decision. Blix went further. Auto shifting means an AI chip inside the bike monitors your speed, your pedaling cadence, the terrain, and makes the gear decision for you in real time, automatically. The only thing you do is pedal. Let me show you exactly how to activate it, because there is a specific process and it is easy to miss. So, step 1, the bike must be in auto mode, not eco. Not tour, not turbo. Auto. This is non-negotiable. If you're in the wrong mode and hold the button, nothing exciting happens. You just look confused. Now, step 2, you need to be pedaling, not the throttle, pedaling. The system reads your cadence, so you have to actually turn the cranks for it to engage. Step 3, this is the magic step. Press and hold the plus button on the handlebar. 3 full seconds. Count with me. Hear that beep? Now look at the display. There it is. The A. This little A means the system is active. You are now completely hands off the gears. The bike has taken the wheel. Metaphorically, please keep both hands on the actual handlebar. Now, watch what happens when I spin the pedals. Every automatic shift comes with a beep, and the display updates. You're doing nothing. The chip is doing everything. It feels like cheating, honestly. It's not cheating. It is engineering. Out on the real roads, this is where it truly shines. Now, accelerate. The bike smoothly takes up through the gears without you touching a thing. Hit it slow, It shifts down before you even feel the resistance build up. It anticipates. This is a word that Blix uses, and it's the right word. One important technical note, auto shifting activates above about 3.4 miles per hour, roughly 5 kilometers per hour. It will not engage at a crawl or a standstill. Once you are rolling through, completely seamless. Not everyone wants a robot making all the decisions. I get it. That is why Blix X gives you 4 riding modes, starting with the first one, Auto, full smart mode. The bike adapts, shifts automatically, manages assist based on how you're riding. The I Trust You robot mode, this is the one we just nerded out. Eco, gentle assist, maximum battery efficiency, perfect for that long, flat rides for when you want to feel like you're actually exercising. Spoiler, you kind of are. Number 3, Tour, the middle ground. More assist than Eco. Still efficient, the I'm an adult, I have places to be at, but I'm not in a hurry mode. And number 4, Turbo, full power, maximum assist. And it's the I am late, my battery percentage is someone else's problem, goodbye mode. All 4 modes are accessible right at the handlebar. The color LCD display keeps you informed. PAS mode, speed, range, trip distance, gear number, calorie count, odometer. It is a full dashboard on a small, beautiful dashboard. Here's one that flies under the radar but makes an enormous difference in how the ride actually feels, the torque sensor. On a lot of budget e-bikes, the motor kicks in at a fixed level the moment you start pedaling. Touch the pedals, whoosh, aggressive, weird. Feels like the bike is trying to leave you behind. The Blix X uses a torque sensor. It reads how hard you're pedaling, not just whether you are pedaling. Push harder, get more assist, ease off. The assist backs off proportionally. It responds to you. The result is a ride that feels natural, intuitive, not robotic, and combined with the auto shifting. Power is wonderful, but you know what is more wonderful than going fast? Is being able to stop when you decide to stop and not when physics decides for you. The Blix X has hydraulic disc brakes with 180 millimeters rotors and adjustable feel. Hydraulic brakes are the good brakes. Consistent stopping power in wet and dry conditions, less hand fatigue on longer rides. On a 62-pound bike, getting about 28 miles per hour, you want the engineering investment in the brakes. Blix made it. Safety certifications, TÜV Rheinland certified, meets UL 2849, FCC, and CPSC 16 CFR Part 1512 standards. This is not a no-name operation. Blix was founded in 2014 in Sweden. This has been for over a decade, and they certified their bikes properly. That matters. When you are on real roads at real speeds, you want to know your bike has been tested by people whose job is to find problems before you do. Verdict time. And I'll be real with you because that's why you're here, right? The auto shifting. The auto shifting is not a gimmick. It works. It's smooth. And once you ride with it for about 10 minutes, you'll start questioning why every bike on earth doesn't do this. It removes a decision that you never wanted to have in the first place. And on a busy commute or a long weekend ride, removing that mental load genuinely matters. Now, the torque sensor. The torque sensor makes the electric assist feel natural rather than robotic. The 4 riding modes gives you flexibility for different days and different roads. The specs are genuinely solid for the price point. The brakes are excellent. The range is generous and real-world usable. Blix positions this as $5,000 worth of technology at only $2,000 for a price point. That's their claim. Looking at what is actually packed into this bike, the AI shifting system, the certifications, the motor quality, the battery size, is not an unreasonable claim. So make sure you subscribe and make sure your notifications are on. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one.